Hi guys, and welcome to another unboxing. And today we have three new iPhone 14 Pro Max in gold. We've got space gray, which is a new color, and we've got deep purple, which is another new color. So without further ado, let's get unboxing. First off, we'll do the deep purple. Had high hopes for this one, but after seeing a few of the review units and pictures of it, weren't really impressed. This was going to be my first option, but I might be sticking to gold. That is quite dark. It looks quite bluish. So if you shine it towards the light, it is quite nice. You do get that purple effect on it, but when you're not looking at it, it's quite dark. Let's peel this off. Okay, let's put that to the side, and we'll do space grey. Opening this with one hand is a bit tricky. Okay, this is quite nice actually. It's a completely new color, much darker than the graphite. Looks alright. Some people may be a fan of it. I prefer lighter colors, so when you shine it towards the light, it looks okay. And next up, we'll do the one that I'm looking forward to, which is gold. Might keep this one for myself. Here we are. Now, if you've seen gold before, it's not much different from the last one. Let's put all of them side by side. So you've got gold, space grey, and purple. So yeah, let me know which color you like. I'd probably go gold, purple, and then black. As you can see here, it looks really dark, but when you hold it up and then point it towards the light, you do get that purple effect. But I had high hopes for this one. Sadly, it's disappointing me, but I think there are those that will probably like this color. So here's 3 out of the 4 colors that Apple have released this year for the new iPhones. Leave a like, press that subscribe button, and stay tuned for more content for the iPhone 14 Pro Maxes.